Hi 2-3, welcome to math. So today we are not going to start Eureka right away. We're going to do a review of arrays since that's what we were doing right before project week. And I want to make sure that we're going back and we understand it again before we go back into Eureka. So we'll be going back into a Eureka lesson tomorrow, but today is just a day to kind of get our minds back on what we were learning before project week. Also, I want to remind you and just tell you that we are pretty much at the mid-module point like we would be in the school for our Eureka lessons. That means on Friday we will be having a mid-module test on Edulastic. So this week it's really important, just like I would tell you in the classroom, to reach out with any questions you have, whether it's through ClassDojo, Google Classroom. We have our Google Meets every week, whether it's in my Google Meets or with Miss Pena. It's very important that you are asking questions, any kind of thing that you're confused on, okay? So I just want to make sure that that's clear. So what I'm going to do right now is we're just going to go over your steps for today. So number one is watch my video on how to complete the lesson today, which is what I'm making right now. Number two, watch the short video on arrays below. That's 11 minutes. That's right here. It says repeated addition using arrays. You just click on it and it'll take you to the website. And then you're going to complete the repeated addition and creating arrays questions in Google Slides. And then this just reminds you, if you're having trouble before you submit, you need to reach out. That's fine. Also, if you have trouble with the formatting on Google Slides, please make sure that you're writing it down on just what line paper and you're just writing the answers down and you just send a picture, whether it's through Google Classroom or ClassDojo. Once you have your assignment open, it's going to take you here. So the first page, it already has the arrays for you, and you have to write the repeated addition sentence to match the array. The first thing you'll do is you will type your name up here. You see the box comes, and you're going to erase where it says type name, and you're going to type your name, okay? I'm just going to keep that here, obviously, so that way you have it. Then you're going to come over here. I'm going to erase where it says answer because this is where I'm going to put my answer right now. So when I look at this, I see that I have one row right here because remember, rows go across, okay, and columns go up and down. So I have one row here and two rows here. So my first row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4, okay, plus I have another row, 1, 2, 3, 4 of 4. And that is going to equal, and then I'm just going to add them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So this is my repeated addition sentence. So you will have to do the same for the next 3, that you will write a repeated addition sentence that matches the pictures, okay? Then the next thing you're going to do is the rest of the slides, you are going to create arrays from the repeated addition sentence that they give you. So what I'm going to do is you are only choosing one color. So you shouldn't be using all different colors each time you're creating a group. Each array should be one solid color. You can obviously choose a color for an example, a different Google slide. That's fine, okay? So for this one, I have to do an array for 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So I'm going to choose my favorite color, which is pink. All I do is I take it and I drag it. And now I'm going to make one row as a group of 2. Okay. Now I'm going to do it another one because I have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Notice here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. So I have my row 1, my row 2, my row 3, my row 4. And in each one I have 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay? Now the only thing left to do is fill in my answer. So you're going to come down here and you're going to type in your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to type in 8. And that's all. And I'm ready to go on to the next slide. So this is your assignment for today, just a little review, like I said, of repeated addition and creating arrays, making sure we're remembering. One more time, I'm going to ask you before I stop, Do the rows go across or up and down? If you said across, kiss your brain because that's the correct answer. Rows go across. Columns go. If you said up and down, kiss your brain. Columns go up and down, okay? That's just something that we're just going to keep practicing and remembering. So pretty simple today, pretty fun I would think, just to create your arrays. Again, on this page you just have to do these 3 in regards to writing your repeated addition, and then the rest are creating. Any questions, like I told you, make sure that you're reaching out and asking.